गोष्पदीकृतवारासिंहसखीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामालारत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीसमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्।
Om Asmatgurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to day 4 of the Sankshepa Ramayana series. In the Prarthana Shlokas, we paid our respects to Hanuman. In today's set of Sankshepa Ramayana Shlokas, Dasaratha is ready to crown Rama as the future king of Ayodhya. But hearing this, Kaikeyi reminded him of the 2 boons that he had given her and requested that Rama should be sent to the forest and Bharata should be crowned as king instead. King Dasaratha, bound by this promise, tells Rama to go and live in the forest. And because of his father's orders and his love towards Kaikeyi, Rama goes and lives in the forest.
ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथसुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यय यौवराजेन संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छत्प्रीत्या महीपतिः तस्याभिषेकसंभारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्यात कैकेयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेण मयाचत वनवासं च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनं स सत्यवचनाद्राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः निवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथप्रियं स जगामवनं वीरः प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेयप्रियकारणम्।